Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today we're going to be doing a butterfly effect look, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so all the products used in this video are going to be listed and linked in the description box, so you're welcome to go ahead and check them out there. So I wanted to go ahead and give Danielle Divine's Lashes a shout out for sending me these beautiful pair of lashes. She sent me 3 styles, but for this video I'm using the butterfly one. Now this style was perfect for the look that I was going for, just because of the angle, the fluffiness, and the volume. So it was just beautiful, and I loved how it finished up looking on me. Okay guys, so the other day I made a quick run to the Family Dollar to get some stuff, and I stumbled upon the brand LA Colors, and I realized I never really used them before, and I decided to give them a try. And I went ahead and got a primer for $2, a foundation for $4, and a setting powder for $2. Now I got a great deal for $8, and I was expecting to not be impressed, but I ended up being very impressed. Now the primer worked amazing, and when I added the foundation, it just glided on so smoothly, and everything came out just the way that I usually expect with one of my most expensive brands, and I was just so impressed by that. Wanted to give Avon a shout out for sending me their amazing products, the liquid lipstick that I'm using for the video, and the liquid eyeshadow which I use for this look, which gave it the perfect touch. And this completes our whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on our next tutorial. Bye!